Peace and blessings to all, peace and blessings. Hope y'all taking care of yourself out there. We raising the vibration. It's time to disconnect. It's been time to disconnect, but like you gotta let go now. Gotta let go. Gotta let go everything that doesn't serve your highest good. That's a must. Cause it's only gonna weigh you down. See, we don't have time. Well, time is an illusion, but we don't have no room to be carrying other people's baggages. Like, basically, we don't have no room to be fighting other people's egos. See what I'm saying? We all have free will. So whatever they decide to do within their path, you could only try to enlighten and uplift. If they fighting it, that's not your fight. That's their fight. You did what you were supposed to do and try to enlighten them, uplift them. It's time to disconnect. That's one of the hardest parts to do. But I mean, you got to think about you and your path. If you have the eyes to see, and you know which way to go, you know what direction you need to be going in, and they going in the opposite direction, you can't run behind them, because that's going to take more of your energy away from you. That's going to knock you off of your path. It's going to take your energy away from you. I mean, I refuse to sacrifice my higher self to go to lower my vibration to go and fight somebody else's demons. I can only show you how to defeat them. It's up to you to receive the message. But I mean, I can only present the message to you. I mean, if you ego driven, then you gonna reject that message based on how you feel about it. See, the truth hurts, and a lot of people are afraid of hurt. They're afraid to be wrong. It's too much for them. They can't handle it. But I mean, it's time to rise. I mean, they remain trapped in the third dimension. They want to remain. They feel comfortable with being in the matrix, being a matrix sheep. Not understanding that they are in a time loop. That's why time is an illusion. They want to keep people trapped on that hamster wheel, that time loop.